Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on our 1996 Dodge Ram 1500, and we're going to be replacing the tailgate stay cable. It's a strange name, it is what it is. As always, if you need this or any other part, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay, so one of the first things we need to do, if you're replacing this tailgate stay cable, just lift up the tailgate a little bit. You've got your lock right here. You're going to need something as simple as a pocket screwdriver, which I put all the way on the other side for some reason. Just pull up on this little lock and slide that up. I'll bring this down careful because we only have one cable holding this on now. Now we're going to use a T45. That's a Torx bit and it looks like a star. You go right here. There's our cable. So here we are, friends. We've got our cable. There's two ways that this cable can go. One's the right way and one's the wrong way, just like anything else really, right? If you put it this way, the lock pushes out and this slides in. That's great. If you put it the wrong way, this way, it doesn't work, okay? Pretty basic. Probably don't even have to tell you that. Easy. So I'm going to take that back off just because I'm going to start with the lower side. Look at our bolt. Just going to go right in here just like this. That's nice and snug. The cable can still move around. It's very good. Gently lift up on your tailgate a little bit. Line this up with the hole. Pull it down. There we are. That was super easy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.